In this video, I will show you how you can view your notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you're trying to open the notifications panel on your Samsung phone, but if you keep opening the quick settings or the control center instead of the notifications panel, then the solution to this problem is very simple. Now, to open the notifications panel, just make sure you swipe down from the top left of the screen. Now, in newer Samsung phones, the notifications panel is shifted to the upper left corner on the screen. And if you swipe down from the upper right corner on the screen, you will open the control center. Of course, if you want the old control center, you can bring it back. Now, to do that, just open the control center, then tap on Edit, and under the Edit section, just tap on Panel Settings. Now, instead of Separate, just select Together. After that, just go back and tap on Done. And by doing that, you will bring back the old control center look, in which the notifications panel and the control center are combined together instead of being separate. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.